Hi, I'm David Odegard, Product Manager for United Pacific. Today we're going to take a look at our 4x6, 5x7, and 7-inch round heated LED headlights. These headlights draw about 3 amps when they first start up and the heat is on. If the ambient temperature is high enough, then the heat will turn off and the lights draw about 0.75 of an amp. Installation of your heated headlight is simple. Remove the screws that hold the stainless steel retaining ring, unplug the H4 connector, plug in the new headlight, put back on the stainless steel ring, and you're done. No additional wiring is required for the truck. When the light first powers up, the heat comes on automatically. The sensor in the headlight turns off the heat if it's not required, or if it's really cold outside, it will stay on to melt the snow and ice. If you need assistance, support is available at faq.upauto.com. You can find our products at any United Pacific dealer or visit our dealer portal at truck.upauto.com.